How to check user activity logs in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to check your staff or admin activity in your Shopify account. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So in order to do that, you can open your Shopify admin and then go to your setting in bottom left corner here. You can click on it. And then you will be redirected to your setting page. Now you can navigate to the users tab here. You can click on it, and then there will be a security here. Click on it, and you will find user activity log. You can click view to open the activity logs, and you will find all of your activity logs, including your own activities and also your staff or admin activities. And if you think something suspicious, you can just, click it for the details. Then you can check it. And if you think something wrong, you can just, remove it or remove the stuff and something like that. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.